Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. This week I am using the Diamonds bundle from Pixel Scrapper. This is an older bundle of mine that caught my eye somehow when I was browsing around looking for something to use. It's always fun to go back and revisit one of these old favorites. So I'm starting here. I just took a little look through the couple of pocket cards that were included in this kit, and I am sticking in the ones that caught my eye, and then I downloaded all the papers because there aren't that many in this kit, so I just went ahead and downloaded them all, and now I will add them into the background. So right now, whenever I delete a paper, it's usually either because the pattern was a little too busy for the spot I had it in, particularly if it's behind a photo, or else I'm just trying to balance my colors. I'll probably try to have like a lighter color followed by a darker color. So just getting those things all lined up correctly is usually why I end up deleting a photo, or not a photo, sorry, a paper. And now, while I've been talking, I've started here in on the elements, just adding those in and some of the empty spaces, and then the layout will be finished. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.